This is Wesley billion dollar virgin. Let's go. Hey, did you like when I do that? Smash the like button if you like when I begin these videos. I'm like Wesley billion dollar virgin, smashing that. Listen, I'm gonna show you how to make some money online. Okay, I'm gonna keep this very simple. All you need to do is smash the button. I'm gonna show you a button. One button is gonna make you $25 over and over again. Listen, if you ever want to make money, you got to take massive action. In the comments below, you're going to love this because it's worldwide. This is for newbies. It's very simple. It's a tutorial here. It's just a process and website that you guys have probably never seen before. But big marketers such as myself, we do this all the time. Look, you go to peopleperhour.com. It's the first step. You must go to peopleperhour.com. This website, basically, people post jobs here online to do various tags on the internet. Listen, you don't have to be an expert. You don't have to be a person that's educated. You don't have to be a person that knows nothing. All you need to do is watch the video, listen, take notes, and do exactly what I'm doing, and you'll find yourself making money every single day like myself, okay? Because it's all about making money online. As a matter of fact, if you want to make money online, comment below. I will make money online right now, okay? You got to affirm it. When I was broke, I used to say, I'm making money today, baby. I'm making money. I'm tired of this broke life. Now listen. So, like I said before, People Per Hour is just like a website where people post different jobs on the internet to basically get other people to pay. And I'm going to show you the process and how this works and how you're going to do this basically for free without any skills and start making money right now. Okay, you're going to click the word sign up. Okay. I want to work as a freelancer. It's going to take about 3 minutes to fill that out. They will approve you in 24 hours. It is a simple process, simple form to fill out, and you're going to do that right now, okay? Then once you all approve, you're on the People Per Hour. This is what I want you to do. Now listen, this is a very secret niche that a lot of people don't know about, that a lot of internet marketers don't talk about because, well, it's not sexy, but it makes a ton of money. I know people right now that's using this method. They earn about $200 to $300 a day to $6,000 a month. I think any teenager will want $6,000 a month, right? I mean, anybody, right? Because the average income per month is about $3,000 in the United States of America. And guess what? This is worldwide. First step, this is what you're going to do. Type in remove background. I can't believe I'm showing you this. Well, because I love you. That's why. Look, remove background here. And basically, people are paying this guy right here to remove a background image from a photo, $10. This guy has already made $10,000. That's insane, right? $10,000. And the crazy thing, this guy's from India. Listen, it doesn't matter where you are. You could be in Africa, India, Germany, Europe, Canada, United States of America. You could be in Fiji, Maui. It doesn't matter, okay? You could be under the bridge. I'm going to show you a cool way to get, I'm talking about thousands and thousands of people to do this for you, right? Just using these very secret techniques and these other loopholes that are not shown on the public web until now on YouTube, on this channel right here, on how to do this. This is why people sub to my stuff, and because this is why people like my videos. They don't just like me because I say Wesley billion dollar virgin. Well, they hit the like button because I show them how to make money. And if you listen and watch to the very end, you'll make money too, okay? So what you want to do is you click on this, and I know what you're thinking. You may say, well, Wesley, if I get approved today and I do this with you, take action right now, and I make this profile, how am I going to guarantee people are going to actually get my stuff? I'm going to show you how to do it. Don't worry. I'm going to show you that too. But first step is this. You see this guy, he's winning. What do you do when somebody else is winning and you want to win too? Well, you just model them, right? You just do what they do. So what you're going to do is, once you get approved, you're going to create your profile based off everything here. The verbiage here, even the everything that you see here, you're going to duplicate and model for yourself. The only thing that's going to be different is your name and the bank account that you're going to connect, so you'll get the money in your bank account over and over again. Does that make sense? Smash the like button if you can smell the money right now. I'm talking about making money online right now. Let's go, baby. All right, so that's what you're going to do. Now, the question is this. I know that question is in your mind. You're thinking to yourself, okay, Wes, how do I do that? I don't know how to remove a background image. As a matter of fact, I got some images right now. I need to remove the background too, you know? Listen, I'm gonna show you by the click of a button, like as promised. You just click a button, it's removed. Click a button, remove. It's like every time you click it, $10, like over and over again. Imagine making $10 every time you do it. Listen, this is what you're gonna do, okay? You're gonna go to a site by the name of removebg.com. That's removebg.com. Look here. See, listen, guys, if you ever want to know like how to do tech stuff, it's always ways. That's why people sub to my channel, because I just I just open up these doors that have been closed for years. Because when I started making money online, I just discovered it was so much stuff on the internet that people could get for free. So I decided to create this channel, and I just give it all to you for free. And that's why people smash the like button, okay? Hit upload image here, and let's go ahead and take this handsome guy here, Mr. Virgin himself. You see, that was a background. Now watch this. Boom, bada boom, bada bing. That took 5 seconds. The background is gone, right? So if you got some, you know, some pictures that you need to remove that background, just use this website, right? But I'm gonna show you how to get paid. You hit the download button, then all of a sudden, boom, that hits your computer, and here's the image of that nice, beautiful, handsome guy with a suit. By the way, guys, I hate suits, but you know, I'm dating this girl, and she wanted me to wear a suit. Then I found out I look good in suits, so that's why me in a suit. I look pretty cool, don't I, right? But see how I remove that? So imagine getting paid $10, $15 every single time doing that, okay? And this is what you're gonna do to make money right now online, based on the computer here. So that's removebg.com. Listen, now, I know what you're thinking. Trust me, I can read your mind. You're thinking, okay, Wesley, once I got the profile, how do I get people or more traffic of people who want this done? How do these people find these people? And I'm going to show you how the people such as the guy that I just showed you right here, you know, this Indian guy, and this other guy right here, he's in Bangladesh, how they find all these people to do that? Let me show you. This is what you're going to do. Go to google.com and type in photo editing forum. Let's go. I know what you guys thinking. You like, Wesley, I like you so much. I love you. I love your attitude, your personality, but I like more that you're helping us make money right now. Type in photo editing forum, okay? Click on the first one, okay? And basically you just sign up for free, right? Hit the sign up button, and you can sign up with your Facebook or Instagram. But the reason why is it's like millions, of not hundreds of thousands of people who want background removed. So you start conversations. This is how you get sales, like right now, okay? This is not meant for you to make $1 million here. I have a link below if you want to make more money. But listen, if you want to make a couple of dollars, and I'm talking about 100 to 200 a day, that's $3,000 to $6,000 a month. That would change people's lives. Kind of get an amen or smash the like button right now if $6,000 per month would change your life. All you do is this. I did this when I was hard up, when I wasn't making any money here. And listen, you just sign up and you just reach out to these people. You post questions, say, hey, you want your background removed? Hit me up. I'll remove it right now for you, right? They don't know about this site because the typical person, they don't know about removebg.com. They feel that they got to pay somebody or get some special photo editing software. You don't need nothing like that, right? A click of a button, background is removed, okay? And this is when you start to get traction. And let me show you something. Listen close. This is the greatest part of this process. This is why you can retire from your job. If you're making under $5,000 per month at your job, do this. So once you get traction, you get about 5 to 10 people per day that's coming to your profile, basically, that you're going to model. You're going to model this one, right? Almost everything, right? Once you get traction, you tell them to leave reviews, okay? Positive reviews, easy. Reviews, right? When people start to leave reviews, then guess what happened? Now we got money on autopilot, baby. That means anytime people search, and always make sure that you say that you're going to remove it within 1 day. Why? Because people want instant gratification. They want things now. I don't want to wait. I want it now, right? So make sure that when you create your profile, say, I do it in 4 hours, 1 hour, 24 hours, and people will gravitate to you. And as they start to gravitate to you from this site, And like I said before, you can sign up to many different photo editing forums. There's so many of them. Sign up to all of them. Does that make sense? Like all of them. Because once you get so much traction here, you'll be like this guy making $10,000 to $20,000 per month, every 2 months, every 3 months, easily, just by making money online. Listen, if I gave you massive value, if you can do this, if you're going to do this, smash the like button. Remember, I'm here to help. I'm here to help you to take action. I'm here to help you to believe that you can make money online. But listen, if you ever need help from me, right? I'm just a young black kid from Houston, Texas, born on the South Side. I'm a PK kid, which means my dad was a pastor. That means I was a bad ass. I wasn't a good guy. I was crazy. But I made it, okay? I made it. And I thank God every day that I'm rich and wealthy. And now I want to share with you. If you need help, I will leave a link in the description below. Click it, and I will teach you how to create products online. I will teach you how to become an online entrepreneur so you can get financial freedom, be able to fly around the world, take your family where you want to take them. Basically, just control your life, right? It's nothing better than being able to make a decision and have options to do what you want. But it all starts with taking massive action. Listen to the video again. I know it's fast. Listen to it one more time and keep listening until you get it. And trust me, you will. This is Wesley, $1 Billion Virgin. Let's go! Motivated, dedicated. Smash the like button. Let go. Ah.